All right, guys, this is what I got today. You can see this box. It looked like it went to I don't know what, but I got this electric fat bicycle, and this is the 20-inch fat tire electric bicycle. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys what's in this box, and hopefully nothing is damaged because look at this, the way they just shipped it. Anyway, so basically everything inside of this box is all garbage. I mean, I don't know what the seller thinking. This is false information that he put description on the website. You know, to be honest with you, I don't even feel like saying the name right now because it's totally wrong. But the good thing about it is the where I bought it from, it has this information that I can actually, report it back or anything like that. So it's a good thing. I definitely get my money back on this one. But anyway, this is what I got. It has 20-inch tire, 20-inch tire, fat tire on it, and everything that you see here is all got rusted all out. I mean, everything here that I've seen is just totally garbage. Even the motor doesn't even work. Lots of scratches. The core doesn't even work. It doesn't even fit for this bicycle. The gauge, I mean, the struts, I mean, everything you can think of. There's no key that is supposed to have key. Anyway, guys, if you think about buying an electric bike, make sure you have to have the key, because if you don't have the key, you'll never get to work. Or that's the new model bikes. Most likely all the new electric bikes has a key. This one doesn't have any key for me to have, so I can't take out the battery. So you have to have a key to take off the battery and also to turn it on. So it's basically almost like a motorcycle or a dirt bike or scooter. Anyway, so everything here it's good on it. I mean, the reason why I purchased this, because the look, I liked it, and also it's flat black. I mean, the weight on this one's about like 55 to 60 pounds. It got some weight to it, but it's a foldable bike, and that's a good thing about this bicycle here. The gears on this one is Shimano's, and cassettes and everything is pretty much basic. So if you're thinking about buying electric bike, especially with this fat tire foldable bike, you don't have to spend so much money because all of them pretty much the same. I mean, nothing really changes. The struts on these bikes, they're not adjustable. So if something happened, you can't lube it, so you basically trash your pork. So I got a solution for this bicycle. I'm gonna go ahead and ride it on salt water, and I'm gonna go ahead and ride it around in soft sand and see what this guy's all about. I mean, I would accept it rusted, right? So I'm pretty much returning it back. It's all rusted anyway. So here you go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. The motor on this one doesn't work, but a good thing has a pedal, and go from here.